So guys, we're out here at the Swamp Park entrance road. Gonna go back towards the lake. Taking my little Rebel 250 out for a ride this afternoon. It's been a while since I've ridden it. Saw a deer on the way out here. See what we'll see on the way back. For those of you that haven't ridden a motorcycle, you always hear that it's dangerous. And yes, it is, especially when you're around traffic on a wet road. A bunch of different things. Anything in the road kind of can cause you a problem, especially on these corners where people mow grass and just throw their glass clippings on the road. You know, if your tire's not gripping good in that corner, that bike will slide out from under you and you'll get a bad road rash. But this is a nice little ride if you're on a bike. We don't have a lot of places to ride as far as the nice curvy roads where you can just take your time. This happens to be one of them, though. All of this land on the right side and the left side right now is state-owned land. It might not mean a lot to a lot of people, but when you live in the area, if you hunt, it's a nice place to hunt. There's quite a few acres out here to hunt on Dixon Memorial. A lot of different seasons for a lot of different animals. Right here at the approaching tree line, there are two roads. One to the right will take you on off into the bigger part of the hunting area. The other to the left, you can hunt in there. And that takes you to the check station where you need to go sign in or check in or weigh your game out or take it to get the tags put on it. Up here on our right, when we get around the corner, is going to be the golf course. And for quite a few years, my dad was a hunter and fisher and still is a hunter and fisher, but for quite a few years all I did was hunt and fish with him. And I was not happy when they took part of my hunting land for a golf course. But then I played golf a little bit. So, you know, hey, willing to compromise. Everybody's got things they like to do. I don't mind going and playing around every now and then. It sounds kind of cheesy, but the first time I went out there and got on the green, I had to get down and feel the grass, because never been in a place where the grass is cut just like that, all perfect and just well enough for that golf ball to roll in the hole. On the left is still part of the wildlife management area, but because it's around the golf course, it's restricted to boat hunting only. You can see a little bit of the fairway to the right of the golf course here. This is the last little bit you'll see as we go around the corner. We're getting close to the lake. Right here to the left is the boat ramp. If you want to come out here during the summertime and ski, or just go play in the water, you can get out there and play to your heart's content, or till 6 o'clock. If you're fishing, you can usually fish till dark, but if you're out just playing water sports, you have to get out so the fishermen can have a little peace late in the afternoon. And that's the Lions Camp with a blind on the right. So it's getting pretty near sunset, not quite. We'll see what we got when we get up here on the dam. I don't see anybody behind me, so if I've got a minute or two, I'll see if I can get you guys a shot of the sunset. It is very pretty just about every day, especially if there's a little something in the sky. You can come out here and set a camera up and take sunset shots so many times. Oh, it looks like it's down. Let's see what I can do here, guys. That's so cool. And that's the thing about being out here in the country, too. You see me stop, there's no traffic coming either way. No, I don't mind talking. My friends will tell you that. When you start a camera and you look for things to talk about, sometimes your mind goes blank. You think about a bunch of different things. I can think about a lot of things when I don't have the camera turned on. When I turn it on and then turn our mic on to record, like, I have nothing to say. I've already done, like, I don't know, 30 minutes of riding that didn't have video, and then I started a video coming back, and I was like trying to give you guys a little narration. So I hope you enjoyed the trip, and maybe I'll do it again.